am going to wish Cameron a happy 920 subscribers. Meanwhile at my house. Hooray! I got 920 subscribers, and I can't wait for more than 920 subscribers. Oh, hi, Toby the Tram Engine. Are you here to wish me a happy 920 subscribers? Yes! And happy 920 subscribers. Aw, thank you Toby the Tram Engine. You're welcome! And for this, you can go home now while I call your guardians about this. Thank you so much Cameron, you're the best. You're welcome. When Toby the Tram Engine got home. Toby the Tram Engine, good job for wishing Cameron a happy 920 subscribers. That was really nice of you. And for this, you are ungrounded forever. You can do whatever you want. Thank you so much Percy the Small Engine, Thomas the Tank Engine, and James the Red Engine. You three are the best. You're welcome.